Situated on the banks of Mahanadi, Sambalpur is a beautiful city in western Odisha. From the blessings of Ma Samaleshwari, the leaning temple of Huma, the longest earthen dam of Hirakud, to the beauty of Sambalpuri Sari, all adorn this place known as Sambalak, Sumelpur, Sumbulpur, and Sambalpur at different periods of time. Histories from the extraction of precious diamonds to the preaching and spreading of Buddhism have been a proud collection of this city, binding people, sharing memories. One such bond is shared by the people of Sambalpur and Assam, of ancients and affection. The British established their tea gardens in Assam to take over the Chinese dominance in the tea business. Due to the lack of required manpower, people from Sambalpur and adjoining areas were recruited. At the start of 1901, more than 11,000 people were taken to Assam. These people settled in Assam, adapting the Ahmiya culture, traditions, and way of life. Nevertheless, many still listen to Sambalpuri music, talk in Sambalpuri language, and enjoy the culture of Sambalpur.
মতে দেখি করি হসি কহো ছেড়ে টোপা মারি লাগালো নয়রাস না হো কবে ভায়া আও তনি হাজে না হো কবে ভায়া আও তনি হা আলো ভাদর মাস
On the shores of Mahanadi is a place where these two wonderful cultures meet, the Bejbarua House. Rasaraj Sahitya Rathi Lakshminath Bejbarua was born on the 14th of October 1864, on the occasion of Lakshmi Purnima in Ahatgudi, Assam, presently in the district of Morigaon. He was a prolific writer from Assam who loved the land of Sambalpur. For the most part of his life he lived here. This was his Karma Bhumi. From composing poems to being selected to the Sambalpur district municipality twice, Satyarathi Bejbarua served and loved Sambalpur with all his heart. In addition, he also authored the Ahmiya Jatiya Sangeet, O Mor Apanara Des. The people of Assam and Sambalpur have vowed to develop this holy site of Rasaraj Bejbarua's Karma Bhumi. A book by Shri Deepak Panda highlights Sahityarathi Bejbarua's life and contributions in his Karma Bhumi. Shri Rantu Deka has also been vocal through rallies in Sambalpur. Most importantly, the financial help provided by the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, Shri Sarbanand Sonowal ji, and Honorable Chief Minister of Odisha, Shri Naveen Patnaik ji, has been a big boost to the renovations undertaken by INTAC. The Ahamiya and the Sambalpuri culture share similarities dating ages back. To propagate and promote these ideals of unity and similarity, Srimati Pinky Pradhan, Shri Prem Ranjan Pradhan, Srimati Kuni Pradhan, led by Shri Prashant Kumar Pradhan, had embarked on a historic car journey from the Karma Bhumi to the Janma Bhumi of Sahitya Rathi Bej Barua, covering 2500 kilometers from Sambalpur to Guwahati. They have also specially requested the Honorable Agriculture Minister of Assam, Shri Atul Bohra ji, for a train running from Janmabhoomi to Karmabhoomi. Special literature lessons about Rasaraj Bej Barua in the curriculum of Sambalpur University has also been requested to the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam by social worker Shri Rupam Goswami. With the tireless efforts and well wishes of all these people, the restoration works are going on in full swing, with the Sadhana Gruha of late Shri Bej Barua on the verge of completion. Soon enough, Sambalpur can be ready to welcome visitors as a tourist site into this holy abode. As the people of Assam and Sambalpur progress together in this journey, may Ma Kamakhya and Ma Samle shower us with their blessings. Jai Ma Kamakhya, Jai Ma Samle.
It's a great privilege for we the people of Sambalpur to have such a big personality, Sahitya Rathi Lakshminath Bej Barua, as a permanent resident of Sambalpur. So it is our prime duty to hold his legacy, his memory. There were many hurdles in front of us. The prime hurdles were the land where Bej Barua House stands was in litigation, and another hurdle was the preparation of demolishing both the houses. The timely intervention of Honorable Chief Minister of Assam by sending two representatives of high repute, and the commitment of Chief Minister of Odisha has enabled us to fulfill our dream. Now, INTAC is being given the task to repair both the houses, and now as we see, this small house is the conservation of the small house is near completion. We hope that INTAC will hand over it in December 31st, and soon we will inaugurate it, and we will put a library, a activity center, and Odisha Assam cultural and literary exchange center. So as I said, it is a great privilege for us, and we will work more and more with the legacy of Sahitya Rathi Bej Barua, and hope that the Odisha and Assam will come closer through language, culture, and vice versa. Thank you.
ସମ୍ବଲପୁର କମ୍ୟୁନିଟି ରେଡ଼ିଓ ହୀରାଖଣ୍ଡ 90.8 FM ତରଫରୁ ସବୁ ଅହମିଆ ଭାଇ ବହେନମାନଙ୍କୁ ଜୁହାର। ଆପଣମାନେ ଅହମିଆ ଭାଷା ସଂସ୍କୃତି ଆଉ ସମ୍ବଲପୁରୀ ଭାଷା ସଂସ୍କୃତିର ମିଲନ ସ୍ଥଳ ରସରାଜ ସାହିତ୍ୟରଥୀ ବେଜ ବରୁଆଙ୍କର ଇ ଘରକେ ମୋର୍ ପଛଆଡ଼େ ଆପଣମାନେ ଦେଖିପାରୁଛନ୍। ଆଉ ଇତାକି ଦେଖି ଆସବାର୍ ଲାଗି ଇ ତୀର୍ଥସ୍ଥଳୀକି ବୁଲି ଆଇବାର୍ ଲାଗି ସବୁ ଅହମିଆ ଭାଇ ବହେନମାନଙ୍କୁ ରେଡ଼ିଓ ହୀରାଖଣ୍ଡ 90.8 FM ତରଫରୁ ଆମେ ନ୍ୟୁତା ଦେଉଛୁ। ଆପଣମାନେ ଥରେ ବୁଲି ଆସୁନ୍। ସମ୍ବଲପୁରୀ ଭାଷା ସଂସ୍କୃତି ଆଉ ଅହମିଆ ଭାଷା ସଂସ୍କୃତିର ମିଲନ ସ୍ଥଳ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସମ୍ବଲପୁରର ସବୁ ସହରକେ বুলি কৰি যাওঁ। ধন্যবাদ।
অসমবাসীৰ বাবে এয়া সুখবৰ যে সাহিত্যৰথী লক্ষ্মীনাথ বেজবৰুৱাদেৱৰ সম্বলপুৰস্থিত গৃহ, সাধনা গৃহ আৰু বাসগৃহ এই দুইটাৰে স্বকীয় অক্ষুণ্ণতা বজাই ৰাখি যি কাম, সেই কামসমূহ অসম চৰকাৰ আৰু উৰিষ্যা চৰকাৰৰ যুটীয়া উদ্যোগত দ্ৰুতগতিত চলি আছে। আমি লক্ষ্মীনাথ বেজবৰুৱা স্মৃতি ৰক্ষা সমিতিৰ তৰফৰ পৰা সংশ্লিষ্ট সকলো পক্ষৰ লগত সততে যোগাযোগ ৰাখি এই কামসমূহ আগবঢ়াই নিয়াৰ প্ৰচেষ্টা অব্যাহত ৰাখিছোঁ। নিৰ্মাণকাৰী সংস্থা ইনটেকে আমাক জনোৱা মতে এই কামসমূহ এই বছৰৰ শেষৰ ফালে সাধনা গৃহৰ শেষ হ'ব। এইখিনিতে উল্লেখ কৰিছোঁ যে আমাৰ এই প্ৰচেষ্টাসমূহৰ বাবে উৰিষ্যা আৰু অসম জনগণৰ মাজত যি সাতামপুৰুষীয়া সামাজিক সাংস্কৃতিক বান্ধোনৰ এনাজৰীডাল আছে সুদৃঢ় হ'ব বুলি আমি আশা ৰাখিছোঁ। এইখিনিতে মই সম্বলপুৰস্থিত আমাৰ কমিটিৰ সক্ৰিয় সদস্য শ্ৰী দীপক কুমাৰ পাণ্ডাদেৱ আৰু তেখেতৰ সহযোগীসকলক আমাৰ লগত সততে যোগাযোগ ৰাখি কামসমূহ আগবঢ়াই নিয়াত সহায় কৰাৰ বাবে তেখেতসকলক আন্তৰিক ধন্যবাদ জ্ঞাপন কৰিছোঁ।